Hi everyone. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial about how to copy the interactive pages that I'm putting into our ELA notebook over into your own notebook, because since you can't copy entire pages over, you have to kind of do it bit by bit and it might be a little bit confusing. So I thought it would be easier to just show people just in case you needed to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up my screen. So I had already started copying over an interactive CNN10 graphic organizer that I made. Here's the final product and what it looks like in my own notebook. But the trick to making things like this is it's all about layering. Anything that you don't want them to write on, you want it to be on the bottom layer, so you want to copy it over first. Anything that they need to write on or be able to write in, you want to layer it on top. So I've already copied over the first box right here. It's got like the boxes in the very, very background, the title, a Bitmoji. You can change the Bitmoji. I just put mine so you could see what it looks like. And then here's where they would type. So I'm going to go ahead and just start copying stuff over and arranging it so that you can get a hang of what it might look like. And it might be a little slow now that I'm recording. But again, it's all about how you layer things. So next I want the title. And sometimes it'll do this when you get a text box, it'll make it way bigger than you want. All you're gonna do is go on the outside and resize it so that it fits where you want it, and then arrange it where you want it. And then I don't like where that's at, so I'm gonna center it. And then the next thing I need is my text box for them to type in, because they can't type right here. This is just a shape. So then I would click here, click this box, copy, paste it, drag it over, and then resize it. I actually like that size, so I'm not going to resize it. But I'll do one more box just so you can see how I layered it. So now you can see everything is layered with the box in the background, the picture, the title, and the text box. So I'll do one more. I'm going to do the inspirational news. So I'm just going to click on the square, copy it, come over here, click a new blank space, and click paste. Give it a second to load. And then drag it to where you want it. I made the one in here a little bit bigger, so I just need to resize the shape. Move it over a little bit more. Okay, so now I have the box. So now I just need any images, titles in my text box. So I get the image first, because you always want the images towards the bottom. You have to click a new blank space. You can't just copy it on the shape. It'll replace your image. Okay, and then I'm just going to drag it and line it up and click out. Perfect. Then I'm going to grab the title. Since I already have a blank space, I'll just copy it there, drag it, and resize it. Perfect. And then I'm going to get the text box. And then I'll drag it, and this one I need to resize because it's a pretty wide box. And then there, that's done. So if I had copied this from there, when you want to copy it between tabs, you just click copy, and then you go to like a tab wherever you want it, and you can paste it. And then it'll pop up how you want it. It'll take a minute to transfer over and load. And then to assign to students, I don't remember how to do that, but I'm sure we can all figure out how to assign the pages to the students. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. And then there's one more thing I wanna show you that I'm gonna copy over. I made a practice how to use this. So I just wanted to show you how it works. At the bottom, I've got some different summaries. And so if you do the activity with this activity with your kids to teach them kind of how to organize their information in this, all they're going to do is read the summaries and drag and drop it where they think it belongs. So you just have to tell them, you know, click in the box so that you can grab the title bar and drag it to where it belongs. And I also have an answer key here. So I will also copy over the answer key for all of you. But yeah, if you have any questions about how to copy stuff from this ELA notebook into your own OneNote notebook, if you're using it, just let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. And I hope this little tutorial helped.